Hey, so if your Google form isn't accepting responses like people can't submit or the form says it's closed, yeah, that can be a big problem. But don't worry, this is usually easy to fix. I'll walk you through it step by step, so let's get into it. First, open your form and check if responses are turned on. Sometimes it gets disabled accidentally. If it's turned off, just switch it back on. Yeah, this is the most common reason people can't submit the form. Next, check if you've set a response limit or closed the form after a certain number of submissions. Some forms are set to close at a specific time or date. If that time has passed, the form will stop accepting responses. If your form requires sign in, make sure users are logged into the correct account. Otherwise, they won't be able to respond. Now, open the form link in another tab or incognito mode and try submitting it yourself. This helps you confirm if it's working. Make sure the form is shared correctly. If access is restricted, people might not be able to open or submit it. If nothing works, try refreshing the form or making a copy of it. Yeah, this can fix hidden glitches. And yeah, sometimes the issue isn't on your side. Google services might be down, so check their status if the problem continues. So, yeah, that's how you fix Google Forms not accepting responses. One of these steps should get your form working again. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.